Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Brenda. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a quick review on the Ofra NikkieTutorials collaboration. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the product itself actually looks like. So yeah, like I said, this retails originally for $30, but I got it for $15 because it was for the Ulta 21 days. It has NikkieTutorials and Ofra collaborations, like the three best-selling highlighters that they have collaborated together with. It's Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and Glow Go. So this is what the inside looks like. Space Baby is a blue lilac shade shifting duochrome. As you can barely see it, but you will see in the clip that when I added just purely by itself that it is very blue lilac-y blue lilac-y, whatever. And it's a very like out of this world, to be quite frank with you. And it's very shifting. Some lights it'll look more frosty, it will look then more blue or more lilac. The formula is very buttery. It's not glittery, it's not like a satin finish. It's nothing like that. It is a very buttery and creamy in the best way possible. And just like it says, it looks like almost like a glaze, like it looks very wet on your face. All of the shades do. Glazed Donut is very beautiful. That one in the middle, that one's more champagne, but more on the like white side of it. And then we have Glow Goes, which is when you're more bronzy, that's like a beautiful color. And all of these, like I said, their formula is more on the creamy buttery creamy buttery formulation, which is beautiful because it gives you that wet looking. As you guys can see right here, definitely looks very beautiful. And what I'm wearing all three right now, because in the clip you'll see that I first did Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and then I did like on top of Glazed Donut the Glow Goes, but then I went ahead and mixed it all so I can tone it a little bit down the lilac, because that one came through a lot. I think it's on this one. But yeah guys, I would definitely recommend this product. I give it 5 daisy heads. It's a cute compact, and if you've never tried Ofra cosmetics, which I personally have not, this was like my first purchase and I really bought it because it was on sale. But it was a great purchase and a great steal for me. But even if I didn't get it for the price that I got it for, I would go ahead and pay the $30 for it. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys because it has that lilac shade, and Glazed Donut's like her top best-selling shade, and so are Glow Go. So you're getting all of her three little shades, her three best-selling shades, in just a smaller version. Not by a lot, but you're getting it for like half the price that you would if you were to, more than half the price if you were to buy them individually, because I believe individually they're all $30, so that'd be $90 if you bought like the full-size pan. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and pick this up because I definitely love it, and it is going to be one of my go-tos as summer starts to approach, and especially for like when I want to be creative. That lilac shade is gonna look very beautiful. I've already tested it out on the inner corner and it looks so bomb. It looks very like, it just looks sickening. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys today, and as always, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share so our community keeps on growing, and go follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. And as always guys, have a great day. Bye.